Next thing we're going to test is the canvas settings for the Outback specifically. So we're going to go to vehicle. Under canvas, we can confirm that our vehicle is properly set up. We're going to check which features we want to enable from the onboard ECU. In this case, we can turn signal animations, external display, temperature switch. We're going to change this to Fahrenheit. We're going to check the reverse camera. So we have guidance on. We can reverse the video if we want to. We're going to set up the unit to not shut down when we turn off the vehicle. We're going to leave it in sleep mode. This will allow the unit to boot much faster when it first starts the vehicle. We can also change the logo here, upload our own logo for the boot. They give you guidance on how to do that. Here we can adjust the sound if we want to have DTS enabled, sound stage, or change where we want the sound to be located. We can make those changes here. We're gonna work with them under standard settings. Well, we can actually get access to the vehicle information. In this case, interior light management, defoggers, auto door locks and on and off. If we want the wrap switch on, so we have them both on. If we want to try Android Auto, we can test it from here. We can launch the CarLink 2.0 and I should connect with my Android device. And there you go. We have Google Maps working and we have audio as well. You can change it to Waze. So that seems to be working.